Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mr. Electric DIY. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use 24 volt DC relay as 230 volt AC relay. I have the relay here. This is 24 volt DC relay. You could see that we have 250 volts AC, 5 amps, 250 volts AC, meaning you can also connect this 24 volt DC relay to 250 volts AC load. That's the 250 volts is the maximum voltage. So if the voltage is 230 or 240, it will still work, or even 250. And down here you could see that we have 5 amps, 28 volts DC. Because of the cables inside, the cables are white, so if you don't take it, you will not see it well, but we have it here, 24 volt DC, and it's also written on the coil, 24 volt DC. And what I want you to also take note is that it is not always when you see a DC relay, then it means your load is also a DC. So just now I'm going to connect this 24 volt DC relay to 230 volt AC load. So that is what I want you to take note. And technically, this is how the circuit is going to look like when I'm done connecting everything. This is how the circuit is going to look like. You have the phase here, that is the live and the neutral, and this is my breaker. You have so many ways of drawing a circuit breaker. This is it, MCB type. This breaker is MCB type, miniature circuit breaker. And down here we have SMPS. This SMPS here is going to convert the AC voltage, that is the 230 volts, the live and the neutral, to 24 volt DC. That's the SMPS, switch mode power supply. That's the function of this component here. And we have the relay itself. This is the coil, 24 volt DC relay. So when this SMPS converts the 230 volt AC to 24 volt DC, then I'll just connect it to the relay. This is the lamp, the load that I'm going to connect the relay to. The 230 volt AC lamp, I have it here. And the SMPS, the breaker 2 is here. And finally, we have the normally open. This NO you see here is on the relay. We're going to use the normally open section to connect to the lamp. And practically, we are going to do it. So, let's get started. I have my breaker here. This is the breaker, I have it here. Now just connect it to the SMPS. This is how the SMPS looks like. Down here is the input, the live and the neutral. We have the earth here, but in this case, I'm not going to use the earth, only the live and the neutral. And top here we have, this is the positive section, the plus. So what I have to do is to connect one cable to these two. I'll connect it to one terminal. And the negative side, we have 3 terminals. I'll connect one cable to one of these 3 terminals before I'll be able to get the 24 volt DC. This red cable here is the live cable, and the black as the neutral. I have the live here, so I'll just connect it to this side. And the neutral to the neutral section. Now we are done with this part. This is the breaker, from the breaker to the SMPS, and from the SMPS to the relay. This is the socket of the relay. Number 13 is the negative. Please, if you haven't watched my video about relay tutorials, please go and watch it. This is the number 13. That's the negative terminal. So what I have to do is to look for number 13. I have number 13 down here. I'll use the black cable to connect from the SMPS to number 13 as the negative, and use the red as the positive. The negative to the negative. How to connect it to one of these 3 terminals. have the 14. You could see that there's arrow here pointing to this side. That is the number 14. Number 14, that's the positive. So I'll also use this red cable, one of these two terminals, the positive side. Now I've connected from the SMPS to the relay. So it left with these connections, the normal cross section and the lamp. And what I have to do is to connect a live cable. This red you see here is a live cable. This is from the face, the live, to a common terminal. And in this case, we are going to use the number 12. You have the number 12 here. Yes, just now we have connected the supply, the 13 and the 14. We have number 12 and number 9. So we are going to use the number 12. That is the face from this side to this side. What I have to do is to look for number 12 on the socket. We have number 12 here. Number 12 to the face. Now I've connected a face from this side to the common side. And what I have to do is to also connect a neutral to the lamp. And this terminal, what I have to do is also connect the neutral. I have the neutral here to the lamp. The neutral is coming all the way from the top here to the lamp. I'm also using this black cable as the neutral. I've connected the neutral successfully. What I have to do is to connect this red cable. This will be the switch wire to this section. That is, this cable is at number 12. And number 12 is linking directly to number 4. So in this case, I'm going to use the number 8 as the normal open. Here is going to be the number 8. So what I have to do is to connect the switch wire to number 8. This is number 8. So guys, right now I've successfully connected everything. All the things that we need to connect has been connected. So all what I have to do is to connect the relay coil to the socket or the base. So I'll just connect it for you to see how it works. Now I've successfully inserted the coil into the base of the relay. So the moment I turn on the breaker, my lamp is supposed to start working. Yes. You see that we have indication diode on this 24-volt DC relay. Hello guys, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.